This free tutorial will show you on how to find Temu coupons online completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Step number 1, in order to find Temu coupons online, go to the top right hand screen, click your profile. Underneath here, scroll down until you see the 4th option, Coupons and Offers. Underneath Coupons and Offers, under the Unused tab, you can scroll down, and if you cannot find your coupons, you can try signing in with another Temu account, or you can use Temu self-service to find coupons. Once clicked the Temu self-service, you might be able to find a coupon if you provide your phone number or provide an email address. The second way to find Temu coupons online completely for free is to type in Temu coupons online in your search engine or browser device, and then click one of these websites to find and locate a free Temu coupon. You have one for 30% off. If you click on the right hand screen, show code, you can click and copy the free Temu code online completely for free.